My name is Dan Preskey. I'm with Van Meter Solar. I'm going to talk to you about the K2 CrossRail MLPE bolts. So you take your index finger and your thumb, you pinch the flaps. You just put it in the rail and turn. And then it slides freely wherever you want it. You can pull the bolt completely out, go back in. You can be impacting. You can have multiple of these installed on the rail. Hitting it with your impact, they're not going to fall out. Then you take your MLPE device, stick it in there. This is, if you'll notice, a thicker framed MLPE device. Has no issues. Thank you for watching our video on the K2 MLPE bolt. Thank you for watching our video on the K2 MLPE. Sorry. Thank you. No. Thank you for